Our lesson today, we're going to learn what an idiom is. So this is another type of figure of speech. I have many other videos on different types of figure of speech, so you can check those out in the grammar playlist. But today our focus is on idiom. So here's a simple definition. So an idiom is a figure of speech where a common phrase has a special meaning that is different from the exact words. So this goes back to the same example of that it's not literal. What you read, the exact words that you're reading, doesn't mean those words. There's something deeper. There's a deeper meaning to it. So this is a common phrase you're going to hear used. So I'm going to give you a few examples, and I think some of you maybe have come across these examples. So one of the most famous ones is, most popular ones is piece of cake. So piece of cake. So if you hear someone saying this is a piece of cake, let's say you're asking someone a question, and they say, oh, this is a piece of cake. This is a piece of cake. I can answer it easily. Basically, it means it's easy. That's what it means. Easy. It's not hard. So this is the idiom. But you can't read those words and understand what that means. So there's a deeper meaning to it. It's a common phrase. So if you hear someone, this is a piece of cake, saying it's a piece of cake, it means it's easy. So that's a beautiful example for an idiom. Another example that you're going to come around to is under the weather. So if someone says, hey, I'm under the weather, what they're really saying is not that they're actually under the weather. That wouldn't make sense. It means that they're feeling sick. So these two are really good examples. And another one that you're probably going to hear, I'm going to give you one last example, is break the ice. You're probably not going to hear this as often. But what this really means is start the conversation. So if someone says, hey, break the ice, what they're really telling you, just remember, hey, he's using an idiom, so I shouldn't take those words literally. He doesn't actually mean break the ice. He means start the conversation. So if you're in a meeting in a group and someone says, hey, break the ice, what they're really telling you is that, hey, begin the conversation. So these are three good examples of what an idiom is. So again, it's a figure of speech where a common phrase has a special deep meaning that is different from the words themselves. So don't take the words literally. There's a deeper meaning to it. So that's what an idiom is. I hope this was clear, and I hope you remember it. If this was helpful, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment.